Testing, testing, 1, 2. Do I look good to you? I hope so, because I'm going to have some sticky notes on me very soon. Every sticky note on my body is a financial mistake that most people, well, they get wrong in life. And I'm going to peel it off one by one and show you exactly the solutions to these problems. Now follow me, welcome, rock up, and let's get started. By the end of this video, you'll have the exact steps to stop being broke and start building real wealth with me, who has learned it for the last 5 years, and I'm going to show you because I have been through it all, from the lows to the highs and everywhere in between. Ooh. Right, as you can see, guys, I now have no sticky notes on me, and that's because I can't move and I needed to go to the toilet. But let's get back into it. Coming in at number 1 is impulse spending. Now, impulse spending is the fastest way to lose your money. Now, the rule, the fix, is the 24-hour rule. Now, what is the 24-hour rule? It's a step process where you sit there and you have to think for 24 hours before you buy anything. Because impulse spending, when you have something flashy in your face, your impulse of your body wants to go, I'll buy it now. But the truth is, wait 24 hours and see if you still think that it's worth the money to put into it. Right, coming in at number 2 is not budgeting. Now, most people don't budget, so let's fix that with the 50-30-20 rule. Now, the 50-30-20 rule is a key set of elements where you put 50% of your paycheck into your necessities, your main bills. 30% goes to your wants, so that could be a new pair of trainers or a dress, and the 20% go into savings. Because at the end of the day, when you're growing your savings a little bit, create that emergency fund and you can get your life back. Coming in at number 3 is relying on one income. Now, relying on one income is risky. Life can change. Layoffs, emergencies, unexpected bills. So to fix this, creating a side hustle is a really important thing. Now, most people do this through freelancing, online trading, doing extra part-time job on the side, just anything that brings a little bit more money into the household every single month. Now, what people don't realize is having an extra £200, £300, £400 a month can make a massive difference to your life. Coming in at number 4 is not having an emergency fund. Now, emergencies happen, boilers break down, house repairs, family members needing money, you not having a job. How are you supposed to support yourself when you have no money and no savings to support you? That's why it's important to have an emergency fund. Now, obviously, to fix that, you've got to save £1,000. Now, eventually, you'll build 3 months of living expenses. Now, think of it as financial armor. It's supporting you, it's protecting you, just in case the bad happens, the negative happens. Life is never up, there's always downs as well. So having that protection, that armor in place, it will protect you so you can be reassured that you are looked after down the line, you are protecting your future self. Coming at number 5 is people not investing. Now, people who don't invest don't know what investing is, plain and simple. Now, how to fix this, because we weren't taught with a silver spoon in our mouths and how to have money work for us, we are actually actively seeking to invest £10 per week consistently. It's the easiest wealth building habit that you can form. So just to recap, impulse spending, the rule, wait 24 hours before buying. At number 2, not budgeting, the rule, the 50-30-20 rule. Make sure you learn it. Number 3, relying on one income. The rule, start a side hustle. Any job, anything will do. Just put that money in your pocket. Number 4, no emergency fund. The rule, save £1,000 first and build up to that 3 months living expenses. Having that money as that armor is key. So, coming in at number 5, not investing. The rule, invest £10 per week. Consistency builds wealth. As you can see, guys, the money lessons here today show you exactly how you can get your money working for you. Now, I want you to make sure to like and subscribe. Have a great day and rock up. You take care. See you later. Bye now.